my dear friends, as you know that today we have a Saturday, as usually we have in every week, and this day we have a speaking session for all, and you know today very few students in the class, many students are absent, but okay. I think today one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, only 12 students.
बताओ सर क्या दिन आ गए सर।
क्या करें, दिन तो ये ऐसे ही चलते हैं। ठीक है ना, क्या दिन आ गए। ठीक है, स्टूडेंट्स ही नहीं है आज, कोई शादी वादी होगा, कोई हिसाब किताब चल रहा होगा, कुछ चल रहा होगा। सो ओके, यू नो वी लिव इन अ कंट्री दैट इज भारत माता, एंड everyone in this world loves his or her country too much, and we should have first priority to our country. I think so, because if our country develops, moves towards progress, then definitely we all will enjoy this progress, this development, because country is not only the name of walls, factories, roads, but the most important thing I think is the people who inhabits in that country. So you know very well that we have some duties to our country. We all are doing our works so that our country can progress. So what do you think that how can we serve our country to become a better one? So I think the topic is clear to you, and I would like to get the name and the I would like to get the names of senior students firstly, and then the junior students. So
सर
because
आपकी आज्ञा का पालन किया है हमने।
because you know listening is very important. After listening carefully, you can have the ideas about speaking. So we are starting today's session, and I have got many names, and oh my god, this is not my language. This is I can't understand this language, and I think the person who has written it also doesn't know what he has written. So who has written this?
Sir,
Ashish.
he or she has translated the language from English to the following language.
No, this is beyond
कोरियन।
my this is beyond my understanding. So I'm not able to understand it. And within the Harsh, so I am starting with Harsh. First of all, I am calling Harsh
यस सर।
to give his views on the topic. And yes, come on, Harsh. And the rest members of the group will attentively listen to what Harsh is speaking. So come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today my topic is how a person can serve to his or her country. So, as we all know that we all love our country, India, and we all want to serve it from our full potential. So, what are the steps that we can take so that our country can be called developed from developing? And there are many ways by which we can serve country. Serving country is does not mean that going to border and fighting for the country. It also consists of interior matters that we handle, like how we develop a country by in the in aspect of GDP, uh, industries, houses, facilities, and many more.
Hmm.
And if you are not a government server, government, if you are not a government worker, then also you can serve your country.
Hmm.
Like you can maintain cleanliness in your country by not throwing garbage everywhere. Like we can see that that most of the population of India throws garbage here and there on the roads, by which the foreigners who come to our country to visit have very bad opinions about our country that India is very dirty.
Mm-hmm.
And we can also open many shops that contributes to GDP and increase many things and facilities of our country.
Mm-hmm.
Like it will create employment, which is one of the most common concern of a country.
Mm-hmm.
And we can also be educated. We can also be educated and educate others so that they can too serve the country.
Mm-hmm.
And we can maintain law and order to maintain peace.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are a government worker, then what you can do? If you are a government worker, then you can utilize your job as a career opportunity, and you can maintain your income too and serve your country in a better way than a common people, because here you have support of government that will support you for the benefit of the country. Like if you are a policeman, then you can maintain all law and order, and you can punish the persons who are disturbing the peace of the country. And if you are a cleaning worker, then you can clean the country and make the oxygen and the environment of a country clean.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are a banker, then you can provide money to the needy persons so that they can develop their own business and may become something in their life. And serving country does not mean that serving only to country. It also means that we serve to the people of the country, because a country becomes a country from its citizens only. And if every single person will take the initiative to develop the country, then only a country will become developed. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। सब लोग सुनो अच्छे से बेटा, मैं भी सुनता हूँ, मेरे को भी आइडियाज मिलते हैं। ध्यान रखना, अपन कोई भगवान नहीं है कि सब कुछ है। सुनोगे दूसरों को तो आइडियाज मिलेंगे आपको, कुछ तो आपके आइडियाज इंक्रीज होंगे ही होंगे। फिर आपके आइडियाज है, जितना अटेंटिवली आप करोगे ना, डेफिनेटली आप उतना गेन करोगे बेटा। थोड़ी देर की क्लास है, बस मन लगा के बैठ जाया करो, कुछ इधर उधर ध्यान नहीं जाना, बस बात खत्म। गौरव आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I am Gaurav here. Today's topic is how a person can contribute to make his country developed.
शाबाश,
So,
ऐसे वेरी गुड। हाँ,
so everyone can contribute in any way to make his or her country developed. Like if you are a designer or a fashion designer, you can make our cultural and traditional dresses more to expand their popularity and also their vastness to other people, and also make them look attractive and make them reach other people and foreigners also. And if you are a worker in some government office, you can work hard to make the government office perfect, to not make any problem in the system, and if you and make trouble to the people. And also if you are a normal person doing a private job, you can also do cleanliness and also aware people about laws and orders, and you can also maintain peace. And also if you are a businessman, you can expand your business to vast country,
शाबाश,
and can expand their knowledge about India. And if you are a priest or a, a religious worker, you can make the Hinduism more expand to other countries, and also people following it, and also make people think that how vast is Hinduism. And also even if you are jobless or a child, you can do anything to contribute to your country. Like if you study hard, you can become a IAS officer or something, this so something good, or so you can contribute your contribute you're contributing to your country. And also if you are um soldier in the Indian army, you can fight for your country and also save the country. That's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारा इस समय जो तुम्हारा क्लियरिटी आ रही है ना, मतलब कि साउंड में जो क्लियरिटी आ रही है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड। कीप इट अप, बस ऐसे ही फोकस करो बेटा, ऐसे इंप्रूव करो अपने आप को। पहले एकदम ऐसे बोलते थे फिसलते हुए से, अभी उसमें बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट कर रहे हो आप, वेरी गुड। यही होता है बेटा, बस समझ गए ना मेरी बात को आप। दिस इज द मेन थिंग। सो नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Maurya, and today's my topic is how can we contribute to the development of our country. So, first of all, we must know that what is the development. So, development is a term which means to modify something or to add on something in a country or in something or a, and in a particular field. And we must know very well that how can we contribute to our country. And we may contribute our country if we are not soldiers. We may also contribute to our country in that form. Like first of all, I would like to tell you that if we are soldiers, then we may contribute to our country by protecting our country from the neighboring countries by the bomb blast and these types of things. And if we are not soldiers, then we may also contribute to our country in some type of things, like we may keep our country clean and we must follow all the rules and regulations made by our country and made by our government. And we must know very well that we have some moral duties towards our motherland, that is India. And we must know very well that we are living in this country and it is our responsibility to keep this country clean and develop and make it developing. So nowadays we may say that Shri Narendra Modi ji is also working on an initiative that is Independent Bharat. And in this initiative, the government and the people are very responsible to make our India developing. And we may see that for that we may have new innovations and new ideas that we have in our mind. And we may say that nowadays our country is growing in the entrepreneur field and also in the educational field and also in the primary sector. So for that we must have our full contribution so that we may support to the economy of our country. And the work we are doing and the tax we are paying, we must see that that is for the development of the country. And we must be clear that we will have to pay and so that our country may make the initiatives run and to give free education so that the upcoming generation may also develop towards the country. So in all these way we may develop our countries, and these are not the ways. These are not only the ways. There are more ways than it. So at last, I would like to say, do whatever you like in your country, but that must be for the betterment of the country. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, नाइस बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। कम ऑन रक्षित। सो टुडेस टॉपिक इज हाउ कैन वी सर्व आवर कंट्री, और हाउ कैन आवर कंट्री बी सर्व्ड। सो नाउ रक्षित, कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Dakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic that is how can we serve our country for the betterment of it. So we know that we are citizens and we have our own responsibilities to make our country better. Like, uh, like because we know that without the citizens, a country can't be made. And if uh, and and if a country is made by citizens, but it is the responsibility of all the citizens to run the country in a good way, that it will be useful and will be good for everyone. And if any citizen is living in a country where it is not it doesn't matter that whatever he or she is, whether a soldier, whether a doctor or anything, they can serve to the country in different ways. Like if a person is a soldier, he or she can serve for protecting the country. And if a, if a person is a doctor or teacher, he or she can serve for to by treating patients and making them disease free, and by giving the students and the upcoming generation uh, uh, by giving education to the students. And and there are different occupations in a country, and we know that a country is also run by different occupations, and every occupation has its own importance. And so whether so in which occupation you are, you should serve for the betterment of our country.
Hmm.
And today I heard a thing that is vocal for locals,
Hmm.
and this means that we should try to buy things from our local shops
Hmm.
that are good, so that and not we should not buy things from other countries mostly,
Hmm.
because we know that if we buy things that are made in our country, then the economy of our country will improve and the condition of our country will improve.
Hmm.
So and also and this is and we know that environmental degradation is one of the biggest threat to any country that we can see
As you know.
today. But and to prevent the environmental degradation, no one is here to do it. We are the citizens who can do this. So we should all work for protecting our environment, so that we can live safe and in a clean environment in our country. And and uh, and there are many ways by which you can serve in our country.
Hmm?
and
In our name,
and we
our
know,
country, yeah. You can
yes
serve your
sir,
country, yeah.
yes sir, and we know that we should and it is the responsibility of every citizen to prevent the frauds and corruption in our country. And in any way, if you can help to for the betterment of our country, so you should help. And so at last I want to say that we should do whatever we like, but it should not harm our country, and it should be useful for our country, sir. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई तुम लोगों की. तो नाउ अंजलि, बेटा फोकस करके, कोई डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक नहीं है, थोड़ा फोकस करके है ना बेटा, चाहे थोड़ा कम ही बोलना, फोकस करके एकदम जैसे हमेशा बोलते हो, मतलब जैसे बोलने की आजकल आप कोशिश करते हो, बहुत अच्छे से ऐसे ट्राई करना है, बस बोल बेटा.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is how a person how a person
कैन सर.
develops its country
बोलो बोलो.
develops his country.
हम्म.
Yes, sir. A person
बैठ जाओ एक जगह आराम से, घुमा मत, घूमने
so
से
a
नेटवर्क
per-
गड़बड़ होता है. बैठ जाओ आराम से, बैठ जाओ आराम से. हाँ आप बोलो, हिलो मत, बैठ जाओ. हाँ.
how a person develops his country. So first you know that India is look like
आवाज साफ
a
नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी.
dirty country.
यू आर नॉट क्लियरली ऑडिबल. हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir. You know that
हाँ.
India looks like dirty, but it is beautiful. But we have to more develop and take more
हाँ.
technology to look like developed and also developed country in real life.
शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोलो. वेरी गुड. हाँ बेटा.
In in India we use so much plastic, but if we use paper things, paper or you reuse that plastic, so we can develop our country and do not dirty that
शाबाश,
that
वेरी गुड. ऐसे
our
फोकस करना
country.
है. बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड बेटा. ऐसे बेटा. हाँ शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
In India also we also put waste here and there. We do not put
शुड नॉट. अच्छा बोलो, आप बोलो, मैं पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे थे. हाँ, वी डू नॉट पुट.
should not put waste here and there. We put in dustbin.
We should. We should
but
drop it.
sometimes
We
in,
should drop it in dustbin. शाबाश, बोलो बोलो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल फोकस करके रखो.
we drop in dustbin,
हाँ.
but sometimes we can't find dustbin.
हम्म.
So we carry it, and when we see dustbin, we put in.
शाबाश शाबाश.
You know that we put here and there plastic, but we also put in rivers,
Put की जगह drop.
and ponds. We saw
Put
we
अच्छा नहीं है, वो
drop.
drop या throw. हाँ.
We throw in rivers, pond, and anywhere.
हम्म.
We do not put. We do not throw in rivers. So we put in. We drop in rivers or
Focus करो.
pond,
हाँ.
lakes.
हाँ, बिल्कुल 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 फोकस करो. हाँ.
The water we drink is polluted
हम्म. Polluted.
and
Is polluted.
polluted.
हम्म.
Polluted. So
हाँ.
if we drink, we can get infection.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे वेरी गुड. हाँ. Hold.
In India, we have to make sweets with real things, because on every festival or some festivals, people make fake things, वो sweets.
Adulterated. हाँ. बोलो बोलो बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप, घबराओ मत, बोलो बेटा.
Sweets like, no, I only listen that there is no desi ghee laddus. There is no desi ghee laddus, and it is made of fake ghee. I think so. And in India, we see that we saw there is many. We see there is many fake or copied brand,
There are.
and that is not real. So we do not take that thing. We only take the branded things, so we can get good quality food or packaged food. So, in India, some of people. Through. So that's it.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, ऐसे कोशिश किया करो बस, है ना. सुना करो, अपने आपको पता चलने लग जाएगा कहां पर आपने गड़बड़ की है ना. कोशिश किया करो बेटा ऐसे. यस. और हमेशा ऐसी अटेंटिव रहा करो. लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is how a person can contribute his duty to developing our country. And a person can contribute our country like that he like that they they can produce a lot of thing to others country, and and they can make a lot of thing, and things, and and we and government take tax to our country. It is very important for government, and and we should respect and love our country and our flag, and and we should raise our voice when we see any type of injustice and
शाबाश शाबाश बोलो
such as a doctor treat two patient that is a contribution to
शाबाश ऐसे नहीं
our
बोला
country
जाएगा आएगा अपने थोड़ा फोकस करोगे तो हाँ बेटा बोल
and and like that a army man
एन आर्मी मैन
army man
एन
an
आएगा
army man yes sir an army man stand to the border of India that is also a contribution to our country and and a teacher teaches us that is also contribution and we should obey all the rule and regulation of the government and we should not throw rubbish and other things outside and we should drop rubbish thing in the dustbin and we should we should clean our India and we should we should we should remain happy. It is also a contribution and we should we should we should obey all the rules like traffic rules and other rules and we should use vehicles in very less and we should plant a lot of trees and we should keep our India clean. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड शाबाश आज थोड़ा सा सुस्त नजर आ रहे हो बेटा क्या बात है
सर नहीं ऐसे कुछ बात नहीं है
बढ़िया फर्स्ट क्लास तबीयत तबीयत बढ़िया बेटा
हाँ सर वैसे जुकाम सी लग रही है इसलिए
लग गई जुकाम लग गई हो गई या लग गई
लग गई
कहाँ से लग गई गर्म पानी पियो बोतल में गुनगुना पानी करके भरो और उसको पियो आधा घंटे में एक बोतल धीरे 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 वेरी गुड यस कम ऑन अनु
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My today's topic is sir topic क्या था?
हाउ कैन वी सर्व आवर कंट्री
How can we
बहुत
serve our
अच्छी
country?
बात हाँ बोल
How can we serve our country? As you know, there are many government workers in our country. They have their own works. Like if a teacher is teaching students, it is also also a serving to India, our country, because the doctor is teaching the students and students are learning from the teacher. Then if they can work, they can achieve many things in their life and they can help our country and develop our country in many things.
in many ways
It does not
कोई बात
mean
नहीं
that
बोलो हाँ बोलो
it does not mean that the cleaners cannot develop our country. The cleaners and cleaners, road cleaners, etc. cannot help, but they can help our country by cleaning our country, and our country can clean and develop. So when tourists come, they can see and they can review the country good.
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया बेटा
As you know that if we go in tourist places out of our country, we see the place very clean without dirtiness. Uh, it can it can help in our country also, but like I am taking Japan. The Japan government सर तारीफ करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Praise, admires.
um, Praise the cleaners so they do their best to clean the country, but our government do not in our country some people are laughing on cleaners, and many people who are on small jobs. Like you can know, farmer is also a developing member of our country.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, अगर नेचुरल आ रहा है, बोलो बेटा.
But farmers do not get their full achievement. They get very less amount on their farming.
From their farming.
Modi ji is doing their best to develop our country, but we are not doing best. We are just thinking that Modi ji can, but we cannot.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा बोलती है यार.
Like if we think that we can't, so we can't.
है यार, very good यार.
At the last, I would to say, सर भरोसा रखने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Have trust.
Trust on you and you can do. So that's it.
शाबाश यार, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा है यार, शाबाश यार बेटा, वेरी गुड. तबीयत ठीक है?
Yes sir.
हो गए पेपर सारे?
सर एसएससी का रह रहा है लास्ट.
कब है, मंडे को?
Yes sir.
चलो टंटा खत्म फिर उसके बाद है. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, ऐसे करो बस बेटा. यस नाउ विपिन.
Yes, sir.
कैमरा चालू करो अपना.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Hello everyone, today my topic name is how a person contributes in his country to make it development.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. बोल ऐसी फोकस करके बोल, बस फोकस कर ले बस, देख मजा क्या आता है बोलने. बोल, घबराए बिल्कुल मत, जो मन में वो बोलने की कोशिश कर. बोल बेटा.
Important contributes is teachers in our country.
घबराए मत, बोल बस. हाँ.
Because teacher teaching us so I सब बन सकते हैं तो क्या बोलेंगे?
We can become.
So we can become all job.
We can become engineer, doctor. हाँ. फोकस करो अभी, थॉट्स पे फोकस करो. शाबाश, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, बोलो आराम से. हाँ.
Second contributes is farmers, because farmers give us crop, because farmers give us food.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोल, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना के, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, बोल बेटा.
And third contributes is doctor, because doctor treatment patient. If सर डॉक्टर नहीं होते तो इसका क्या होगा? अगर डॉक्टर
If there is no doctor,
so we do not treatment.
we cannot get treatment.
And fourth contributes is engineer, because engineer make car, television, fans, etc.
शाबाश. छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना के बोलो, जो नहीं बन रहा मेरे से पूछना. बोल बेटा.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे कोशिश किया कर बस, है ना, और लिखा कर, लिखना इस टॉपिक पे, है ना बेटा, कल चेक करवाना बेटा मेरे को एक बार इस टॉपिक पे लिख के, कोशिश कर, घबराए मत, सब आ जाएगा, बिल्कुल मत घबरा, तू इतना कर रहे हैं तो इससे आगे भी करेंगे बेटा, है ना। एंड आई थिंक नाउ गर्वित आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जल्दी से,
My
आराम
today's
से,
topic
एक एक
is
चीज को
how.
ध्यान से बेटा, फोकस करके, ये नहीं कुछ भी बोल रहा है, बोल।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My today's topic is how people contribute to develop our country. You know that teacher develop up teacher develop up to. सर एक बार स्टार्टिंग से बोलो फिर से।
बोल बोल बोल, फोकस कर बस, फोकस कर, फोकस नहीं हो रहा तेरा अभी।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My today's topic is how we contribute to develop our country. When our country develop, there is no dirt in our not dirt like teach teach us lots of things, and by teaching teachers develop us like like we thought there is no engineer. So from starting, so there is no TV, no mobile, no cars.
टेंस का ध्यान रखो, वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो, प्रेजेंट पास्ट का फोकस करो थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like farmer give us food, vegetable, crops.
कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी आज, अभी वाईफाई लेके बैठे हो फिर भी गड़बड़ है। वाईफाई
सर वो नीचे वाले फ्लोर में लगाओ,
नीचे चला जाया कर, बोल बोल।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The meaning of develop there, that is the meaning of develop, that there is lots of building there. No, there is one thing that our country is clean. Yes, sir. That's it.
बेटा अभी मजा नहीं आ रहा बेटा, थोड़ा फोकस कर, देख अभी अनवी ने कितना अच्छा बोला अभी, है ना बेटा, कोशिश कर बेटा, बराबर पे आना है बेटा, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा बेटा, है ना। हाँ, सुना कर बेटा सबको ध्यान से, और थोड़ा सा बोलते समय फोकस किया कर ग्रामर पे बेटा, है ना बेटा। हाँ, कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Bhairav and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11, and today our topic is how can we serve our country. We all know that we live in India, and India has a lot of population, and
in India has कैसे हो जाएगा बेटा? India has क्यों लगा रहे हो? इनके लिए तो has लगाया है आपने, बोलो आगे बोलो, फोकस कर बेटा थोड़ा। हाँ।
Yes, sir. And we all know that in our India, people live brotherhood, and people like brotherhood, and we all know that most of the people help each other in every situation, and we all know that our country needs brotherhood also, and we all know that there are different types of things that can we serve our country. Like we all know that there are different types of apartments, and there are different types of people who serve our country, and they have different types of jobs. Like teachers also serve our country. Like they teach many students, and they make students very good citizen to our India, and those students serve our India also in go. And we all know that teachers also served our India country, and doctors also serve to our country. Like doctors treat all patients, and they save lives. And we all know that engineers, policemen, firemen, etc. Almost all people serve to our country, and it is not all about the big posts who serve our country, but also like building makers, house makers, sweepers, and like that types of people also serve our country, because like big buildings like big buildings and forts are also making by building makers and house makers, and also they serve to our country. And we should also respect mm, laws and many rules to our country, and
Many नहीं, all
that.
rules, the rules, many नहीं, रूल तो सारे ही फॉलो करने हैं,
Oh,
तो द रूल्स, बस खाली द रूल्स कर दो आप तो, और हाँ।
okay, sir. And that thing also serve to our country, and we should also protect public property, like public property like bus, trains, etc. And we should clean that things, and we should also pay taxes in time to time, and we should respect our in our country's symbols like Ashok Stambh, etc. And we should also join to public services in
जो भी
like
जरूरत नहीं है, हाँ बोलो बोलो।
ecosystem and environment system, etc. And we should also keep clean our environment, like we should grow plants, and we should save our waters, we should save electricity, we should save petrol,
शाबाश,
etc.
वेरी गुड बेटा।
And it includes also serve to our country and future in our future also. And we should also respect education system and help others all, like senior citizens, etc. And we should also protect our environment system, and we should always focus on uh, our development in our India. And we should keep safety and cleanness in our India, and we should respect our India. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बात, वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छा। सिमरन कहा जा बेटा, अच्छे से बोलना बेटा, जैसे मैम तो अच्छे से बोल रही है बेटा, है ना, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कर बेटा। हाँ बेटा,
Sir.
हाँ बेटा, शाबाश।
Hey everyone, good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about how can we contribute for our country.
शाबाश, ऐसे बिल्कुल फोकस करके, शाबाश।
So we you know that
as you know, as well नहीं बेटा, as you know, हाँ।
as you know we are living in the India. In India, so there are living a lot of people.
शाबाश, very good,
So
हाँ।
they contribute do their work, by their work develop in our country. So and they contribute many different by many different works. So like policeman, doctor, teacher, farmer, they contribute different work because they are work different
हाँ, बोल बोल, शाबाश,
work.
घबराए मत, हाँ, फोकस कर, वो सब आ जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा, हाँ।
If a teacher if a teacher teach students, so teacher teach lot good manners. So it is very useful contribute to develop our country, and we are we should we should work many work uh, for for develop our country.
टू डेवलप आवर कंट्री। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बोल बेटा, सब हो जाएगा, ठीक हो, सब करते हैं ऐसा। बस फोकस करो, सुनना रिकॉर्डिंग, कहाँ पर मैंने क्या ठीक करवाया। हाँ,
we should always help help needy people,
शाबाश,
and
very good। हाँ
we,
बेटा,
we should clean our environment, and we should not spread dirty things, and we should not throw garbage and plastic bags
very good।
here and there,
हाँ, शाबाश।
and uh, we should motivate we should motivate our we should motivate people,
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, घबरा मत, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, शाबाश, आ जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा, बोल तू बस। हाँ,
and because because children are children's future in our country. So we should always follow many rules,
not many
and
rules, the rules, not many, many नहीं, rules
the
तो सभी फॉलो
rules,
करने हैं, तो many क्यों। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा।
and we should follow traffic rules,
शाबाश शाबाश।
and the government in day by day make many plans and rules, mm, uh, uh, and our prime minister uh, mm, make many rules for our developing for our country. So we should always clean our country, and we should contribute grow our country. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत घबराया मत तू, बहुत बढ़िया, चिंता मत कर तू। ऐसे होता है बेटा, सबके साथ होता है ऐसा, है ना बेटा। हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया ट्रैक पे चल रही है, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई चिंता मत करे बेटा तू, है ना। गुड गोइंग, शाबाश। खुशी। हाँ बेटा, खुशी क्या हुआ।
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kush Gujar. I'm telling about how a person contribute to country's development.
शाबाश।
First of all, I want to say that we should respect all person, and many different type people live in our country, like doctors, teachers, and leaders, etc. So we should respect all person, and we can contribute to the country's development from many way, like
in many ways,
in many way,
many ways।
like yes, sir, in many ways,
हाँ,
like we should respect national symbols, like national flag, anthem, song, etc. And we should we should keep keep to clean in our environment of our environment and sir आवाज आ रही है
अरे बेटा बोल बेटा सुन रहा हूँ बेटा
and we should and we should participate in a democracy process like by voting and
हाँ बेटा
and we sh- and and we should help needy person
हाँ बोल बोल घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी
and
क्या हुआ
and we should respect our country and loyalty that
क्या हुआ आज क्या हो गया तेरे को आज हैं तभी ठीक नहीं है
सर आज एक्चुअली है ना हम वहाँ पे आ रहे हैं
बाहर हो गई
आज हम थोड़ा घर पे नहीं है
थोड़ा घर पे नहीं हो गया पूरे ही घर पे नहीं हो थोड़ा का मतलब क्या है पूरे ही तो बाहर हो थोड़ा का मतलब क्या हो गया बेटा एक हाथ घर पे एक पैर घर पे और बाकी के यहाँ हो थोड़ा का मतलब तो यही हो गया कोई बात नहीं बेटा कोई बात नहीं ओके शाबाश कोई बात नहीं कोशिश करते रहो बेटा है ना होता है कभी कभी काजल
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is how can we serve our country. As we all know that we all live in India and in many ways we can serve for our country and we can see that there are so many ways by which we can serve our country and we can say that many people serve our country in different ways like a doctor serve for our country by save people life
by saving हाँ बोलो बेटा
and we can see that teacher also serve for our country by teaching many students and we can say that teacher play a very important role for serving our country and because a teacher teaches many students by which we students learn many things how that in many things we can say that we learn that how can we serve our country and how can we develop our country also and we can say that for developing our country education is very important because if a person have a good has a good education he can understand that how can we develop our country and how can we serve our country and we should always understand that how can we develop our country and we should aware people for developing our country and a farmer is very important for a country because a farmer do many a farmer very hard work for a country and he farmer is very important for our country and in the last, I want to say that we should respect our country and we should follow all rules and regulation by which we can develop our country. And the government provide us many rules and regulations by which we can serve our country, and we should also respect that rules, and we should follow them, and follow traffic rules, and we should also follow all rules uh, which is provide us by government, and it is very important, uh, and we can serve our country in many ways, and we should aware people for our country for developing our country, and we should always respect our country, and we should we should always try that how can we aware people for develop for developing our country, and uh, that's it, sir.
ठीक है बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा। तभी ठीक है बेटा।
Yes, sir.
ओके, और कोई है क्या भाई? हो गया सबका? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।